Aray ko, sakit. Nangala yung legs ko sa akin. Ano? Hi, Keisha May. Keisha May, Megalod shout out. Keisha May from Cavite City, Philippines. Megalod shout out to you. Hi, Governor Joseph Katapia. I'm going to be my birthday and 34 minutes and a few seconds. Oh, wow. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nasaan na ba yung wait lang, guys? Sakat ng legs. Happy birthday, Jover Joseph Katapita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you, Jover Joseph Katapia? How old are you? I don't know my own. I can teach you how to speak English. Thank you, Errol, if you want me to to teach me how to speak English. Hi from Papi Rosa Milano. Hi from Papi Rosa Milano. Which part of the country, Papi Rosa Milano? Happy birthday, Jober. Ang ano ko. Happy birthday to you, Benti. Benti, ayaw ako pa mawala sa teen life. Oh, you're 20 years old now. Wow. Happy birthday to you, 20. Ba't ayaw mo pa mawala sa teen life? So it means, ano ka na, adult ka na. Hindi ka na teen. Happy birthday to you. My birthday is May 31. May 31. And you are May, nung date ba ngayon? May 7. May is May 31. Hi, Williams. Hello, Williams Pangeran. Hi, Miss. Where do you from? I'm from Philippines. Happy birthday to you. Aleya, apologies. Can you show your armpit? Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, guys. My armpit is shy for today. How many different languages are there in Philippines? Different language? Many different languages. Like Cebuano, Bisaya, Waray, Tagalog, Ilonggo. Many. You want to see my armpit, so give me a sticker. Give me a sticker, Odeya. If you want me to show my armpit, give me a sticker. Because my armpit tonight is shy. My armpit is shy. Are they all different from each other? Yeah. To the one you want, to the one, to the one, to the one.